In this video, we're going to try to complete a table, and it has some numbers going in and some numbers going out. So based on the rule that's given, you need to figure out the numbers in the out table. So for example, in this problem, it says complete the table using the rule add 100. So here are all the values for the in part of the table, and then if you add 100 to these, that's what you get out. So let's rewrite the numbers here, and then we can add 100 to each, and let's see what we get. So 273 plus 100 is 373. We just add the 1 to the hundreds digit here, which is 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 373. They gave us the answer for this one, 946. So if we add 100 to 846, we get 946. Again, we just add the hundreds digit, a 1 to it. The hundreds digit here is 8. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. Then for this one, 519 becomes 619. And then for this one, 382 becomes 482 if you add 100 to it. So these are the answers to our table. We could fill them in. 373, 619, and 482. And that's how you do that problem when you're given a rule to add 100 to the input table. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video.